Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
So yesterday we were at 87 degrees at this hour. Today we're at 84, and one of the reasons for that is the air was drier yesterday. Actually, we have a dew point value now at 65, which, while not humid, is certainly a little bit stickier than dew points in the 50s, which are terribly comfortable. Dew points in the mid-60s start to feel a little sticky, but our air temperature will be high enough today that our relative humidity will be fairly low this afternoon. Hence the red flag warnings, the fire weather watches, etc. Moist air, with the dry air in a desert, cools off. It gets cold at night in a desert, and then it warms up quickly. But moist air takes a little while longer because moisture, water, has the ability to really kind of hold on to heat, and it doesn't really release it to the air. West wind comes in at about 12. That'll continue to pump a little bit more moisture our way. Over the next several days, we'll see that moisture increasing. We'll notice that particularly, I think, in morning temperatures, which will start to get a little bit warmer as well. 87 degrees, Wauchula 88, Arcadia, Myakka 87, and Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch 88, Northport. Inglewood comes in at 80, 82 in Venice, 78 degrees Longboat Key. That onshore wind really now beginning to do its summer-like thing, which is keeping our coast a little bit cooler while inland temperatures really start to get warm. As we head into the afternoon, that sea breeze will continue on. It won't really produce any rainfall, though, unlike it might in summer. We just have dry air aloft. We have this big ridge of high pressure, this sinking dome of air. The mechanisms aren't in place to produce these sea breeze showers that we would normally have across the region. Currently, the deep south, in fact, is pretty devoid of any rain showers at this time. The earlier showers near Raleigh are gone. We have really kind of pleasant conditions in Charlotte, Atlanta. You got to go way back to the west near Oklahoma and points westward before you start to see any real storm activity. There could be some severe storms actually in this area. Exiting out of the lee side of the Rockies and moving into the center part of the United States, these low pressure areas could trigger off some stronger storms. We're going to be watching a frontal boundary develop over the course of the next few days and gradually drift in this direction. It could break down that high pressure ridge a little bit, and maybe on Saturday give a shower or two. That's the front there, not due to arrive here till Saturday. But the thing is, once it does arrive here, there'll be not enough moisture and there'll be residual high pressure. The front will fall apart, and then high pressure will build back in again very quickly. So the dry weather pattern is not going to change all that much. It sticks with us, and the fire danger will remain high. Taking a look at the forecast, well, on today, we're going to get pretty close to the 90-degree mark once again. I think tomorrow we may get pretty close to it. Friday, I think we'll see a few more clouds around as that front tries to chip away at the high. Saturday, as that front washes out, we may get a slight chance at a shower or two. Certainly no drought-busting rain. And then Sunday, high pressure builds back in. It's a lovely day. Mother's Day looks to be just fine and rain-free. Scott?